Hi there, welcome to in this tutorials. Today I'm going to talk about free traffic. So if you are very beginner online entrepreneur and started your one-on business, then you can continue these tutorials. If you are using Shopify for your online store, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So as a entrepreneur or online entrepreneur, there are many ways to get traffic. For example, get listed your website in online directories, backlink, building, post on social media, including hashtag in your post, using email marketing or ghost posting. But I'm not going to show you any of them or any of this way, but I'm going to show you fully automate and without any cost process, so that you can increase your business quickly and generate more traffic. So more traffic means more product sales. Okay, so I am going to show you two top popular app from Shopify. So first of all, I'm going to open this app, free traffic and add by Node. First, focus on the review. There have almost 6,000 plus very positive review, and all the review are 5-star almost. And let me show you the pricing. It's 100% free. You no need any cost for that. You can use this one fully free. And let's know more about this app. Here the app's features: instant access to quality traffic, no setup fee or cost to get started, no credit card required, and manage campaign and add credit creatives with SCAS. Control max bid and daily budget setting and effectively meet your goal. Import your Shopify product for easy ad creation. Target ad for your audience by location, center and categories. Real-time publisher advertiser analysis measure your progress. Customers to look and feel for the ad unit display in your store. So this is the very popular app right now to get free plugin. Now let me show you the second app for consider. So free traffic and add by the 6 This is the another top trending free traffic app, so you can consider this one also. And they also have 3,000 plus review, and many people using this app, and it's super easy to install like a previous one. And it has premium option, not fully free. We can try trial, or we can use limited featured in the free version, but to get full featured we need to select any package. If you want to select any package, then you can select this one, but I think by considering both app, so I recommend this one to use this app in your Shopify online store and start to getting free traffic. So thank you for your time. If you think this information is helpful for you and for your business, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.